Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Maths with Yasir Arfat. Today we have a second lecture on by parts. We have discussed the situation, in which situation we have to use the by parts, and we have discussed that one in our first lecture, integration by parts. When two functions are in product form, then we have to use the by parts. Few students raise the question that if one function is given, then how we have to apply the by parts. So remember that one point. We have to use by parts when two functions are in product form. If one function is given to you, things like that here, ln x dx. This is one function is given. We have to use the by parts. That means the second function will be the constant function, that will be 1. So according to the liate in my first lecture, liate, L-I-A-T-E, logarithmic function, inverse function, algebraic function, trigonometric functions, and exponential function. This will be the order we have to use here. Which function we have to take out u and which function we have to take out v. We have to see this order here. One is algebraic function and ln x is logarithmic function. So here we have to see the position, we have to see the order here. Logarithmic function, it is in the first position. So it means we have to take out u, that is equals to ln x, and algebraic function, that is the constant function, we have to take out v. When we have to take out u, we have to find out its derivative here, and when we have to take out the v, we have to take out its integration. So this is derivative of ln x. The derivative of ln x is 1 upon x. We have to take out the integration of v, that is x. Now we have a derivative ln x, it is equals to 1 upon x, and the integration of 1, it is equals to 1. Now we have to use the formula by using integration by parts. U as it is, integration of v, main integration, derivative of u, integration of v of dx. Now we have to put the values according to u and v here. U is 1 and v is u is ln x and v is 1. So we have to put the value here. U as it is, ln x, integration of v, that is 1. Derivative of u, that is ln x, integration of v. So this is ln x, integration of 1, integration of 1, it is x, so we have to put x here, minus main integration, derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 upon x here, that is equals to 1 upon x, integration of 1, that is x of dx. So this x will cancel out to this one. So this is x of ln x minus dx. Now we have to find out the integration, main integration here. Plus c is the constant of integration, that is the arbitrary constant. Here students, we have discussed if one function is given and we have to apply the by parts there, that means the second function will be equals to 1, that is the constant function. So this is constant function, it is f of x, it is equals to 1. According to the liate, L-I-A-T-E, according to the liate, we have to decide that which function we have to take out u and which function we have to take out v. That is, one means f algebraic function and ln x is logarithmic function. So according to order of liate, L, it is in the first position, so we have to take out L, that is ln x, it is equal to u, and v, it is the algebraic function, so we have to take out 1. So this is the integration when one function is given. So how we have to apply the by parts there. This is the final solution here. Thank you so much, boys. Allah Hafiz.